Hello. Yes, oh god. Welcome to one of my delayed uploads. In today's video, we're going to look at a new Class 08 shunter which I just bought. I think it was about a couple of weeks ago I bought. Anyway, as you can tell, before I start the review, here's a quick of a layout tour. Ignore the amiibos over there. You can have a look at the wall, you can have a look at Sonic, and yes, there's been so many new additions have been added to this layout. So many of them. That's not the video. This is not the video about the new layout tour. Oh, that's a lot better. Now just put the light on. Anyway, yes. What do we have here? We have a Class 08 in Network Southest livery. He bought it off Hatton's, as per usual. The usual place I buy all my Mother Railway stuff from. I'm just push up the camera so I can get a good shot. There it is. Oh, there's the 08. Damn. Yes, in the plastic it's a Class 08 shunter. 08600. That's what it says on the bottle. Yep. And first things first, well, where must I get it out? There we go. If it's Steven protection, gotta turn it over because I've got to get the instructions out. To do that, I did chuck away its guidance. Should we say the guide maintenance? One side there's the maintenance. Inside there's your maintenance. And then on the other side is the parts for your loco. Now they can now be added into my file of my other instructions, which I shall put on the layout right now. Anyway, this is not the fun part. Yes, all this track might be replacing soon. Here's the 08. So now I'm going to put it. Typical, isn't it? I do a review and I drop the loco. Anyway, I drop the loco. Anyway, just drop the loco. The loco's fine. Don't panic. Don't panic. Here's the loco. Here's the loco. It's got the wasps on the front, and I think I just bent the right rails. Yeah, I think I just bent something. I think the steps has just come off. Oh, something else, and you see the bottom of the detailings I haven't fitted. When I bought this, I thought this pole is damaged, so it's got the wasps at the back and front. By law, you gotta have the other one in the front. It's better than my old one. If you want to see my O gauge version, I will put that up. My O gauge version. Anyway, for now, let's put you on the layout. There we are. So now, let me see what it runs on the layout. There it is. Let's give you a close-up of it on the layout. So I'm getting used to this new trick. I'm gonna take this down. There we are. There we are. I'm going to take this. Without this, what should we say? I'm having track problems as usual. So as usual, I'm having track problems. With certain locos. I'm having track problems again. Going back to my old school problems. Track problems again. See if I can get this thing to work. Bear with me. Stupid thing. Oh, I just saw a spark just come out of that. Uh oh, now my light's not on. Now the light's not on. Bear with me a minute. I do apologise. That siding isn't working at the moment. The siding where I have these, where I store small locos, the siding for it isn't working at the moment. As you can tell, that's why it's been abandoned. Because it's not working properly. But instead, you can have these. You can have these coaches pulling instead. You're going to shunt those coats. You're going to shunt these for the 57 to pull. So what you're going to do, just bear my big hand. I know I should have got my railer. So what you're going to do is you're going to do some shunting for the class 57. Oh god. Which is the class 57. I should put a tag in that. A gorgeous locomotive. So I'm going to go maximum. I've got the controller down here. So now let's get the first carriage shunted onto the 408. That's Graham Fraish as well. I think I need to go a little bit faster. Like that. Let's see if you grabbed it. There's one. Now, can you go and grab it now? See if we can grab the other one. Grab the other one. Oh, no, wasn't hard enough. Wasn't hard enough. Put it in a position. There we are. Should now be connected to the wagons. There we are. So now I'm going to try and see if I can push this 08 to the platform. There's the 08 on the platform. The 08 is on the platform now. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to uncouple her. I think I've got a coach derailed. That's right, I can swap them around later. Oh god. Oh god. God, the coach has just slid off. But that's because, I think that's because my legs are uneven. That's because my legs are uneven. Because my legs are uneven on the road. Right. Send out the 08. There we go. If you want an 08, a beautiful premium 08 shunter, of course. If I didn't tell you, I forgot to tell you the story about my old one. My old one broke. She just stopped working, so this is her new replacement. So now, what I'm going to do now, she's going to go and have a rest. See what I mean? She can now stay on the layout. But you know exactly where I'm going to park her. At the end of this video, I'm going to park her in the siding with the 168 is. Right, I'll see you in another video. Ta-ta for now.